So let's go over this one more time. Suppose we want to find the tangent line at this point here. Well, the idea behind a tangent line is that it's just going to touch the curve at that point there and not intersect it in that area there. So in this case here, the tangent line would come up and do something like that. That's my tangent line. If the tangent line was at this point here, it would come across and just touch the curve here. The tangent line over here might come through like that. Down here, the tangent line might do that. So you can see that the tangent line never ever crosses or intersects that curve except for that one point there. Now it does not go across it though. Now let's look at what a tangent line isn't. Suppose I want to draw a tangent line here. This is a knot. This is not a tangent line. Not a tangent line. I want it this. This is not a tangent line. I wanted something down here. This is not a tangent line. Now notice the difference there. In these cases here, kind of intersect in this curve. Now even though a tangent line, this point here where it just touches it is, or it's tangent to it, is an intersection, but you see the difference between those? Okay, this is what you're looking for. Now the other concern seemed to be how do you use a secant line to define the tangency or the derivative at a point. Well, the idea being this. If I want to find the derivative at that point there, I might start, let's say the tangent line looks like this. That's my tangent line. Now sometimes you have trouble with that, but the idea is that what you would do is draw a secant line. That's your first secant line. Then draw a second secant line. And then maybe a third. Now, whatever the slope of this line here is, let's call that m sub t. You can see these slopes as I go back around this curve are getting closer and closer to that one. Till eventually, if I get close enough, I probably should do this with a different color. The slope of this secant line here is going to be pretty close to that tangent line. And at that point, I can find the derivative or the slope at a point here. And that's the whole concept here. So I'm going to post this. Take a look at it if you have any questions, and we'll go from there later on today.